A brand new content niche is going viral on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and it's pulling in millions of views. These videos look simple on the surface, but they're incredibly powerful. They take everyday objects, things you use without thinking, and turn them into fascinating educational videos that explain how they actually work. From TV remotes and phone chargers to batteries, speakers, and kitchen tools, these short-form videos grab attention instantly, keep viewers watching, and make people want to watch more. That's why so many creators are using this niche to grow brand new pages and channels faster than almost anything else right now. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, showing you exactly how to turn simple object ideas into viral-ready videos using AI. So make sure you watch the video all the way through, because skipping even one part can hold your results back. Now let's get started. The very first step in creating these viral object explanation videos is generating high-quality, everyday object image prompts, because these prompts are what we'll use to create our visuals. To do this, we're going to use ChatGPT. Start by heading over to ChatGPT, and at the top of the screen, click on GPTs. From there, select Explore GPTs. Then use the search bar to search for Object Talk. Once you find it, click on it and hit Start Chat, which will open a brand new chat page. This is where the real magic happens. Inside the chat box, all you have to do is type the name of the object you want to use for your video. This can be any everyday object or household appliance. Things like a TV remote, phone charger, batteries, headphones, or anything people instantly recognize. For this tutorial, I'm typing TV remote. As soon as I press enter, ChatGPT instantly generates a detailed AI image prompt for that object, specifically designed for creating engaging, animated-style visuals. At the same time, it also generates a ready-to-use script, written from the object's point of view, explaining how it works in an entertaining and educational way. On top of that, it doesn't just stop with one object. It also gives us related object characters, complete with their own image prompts and short scripts. These extra objects can be added to the same video to increase watch time, boost engagement, and make the content feel more dynamic and story-driven, which is exactly what performs well on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The next step in the process is generating the images, and for this, we'll be using Google ImageFX. Start by heading over to Google ImageFX and logging in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on Settings, and make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16. This is extremely important because 9:16 is the ideal vertical format for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. After that, head back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that was generated for your object. Then return to ImageFX. Paste the prompt into the text box and click Generate. Within seconds, the AI will create high-quality, realistic images based directly on your prompt, giving you exactly the type of engaging visuals that perform well in viral short-form videos. You'll usually see multiple image options generated at once. Take a moment to review each result carefully and choose the one that best matches your scene, mood, and overall video style. Once you've selected the image you want, download it directly to your device. From there, you simply repeat this same process for any additional object scenes or related characters you want to include in your video. The next step is turning all of your generated images into animated video clips, where each object actually delivers the script and feels alive on screen. To do this, we're going to use Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and clicking New Project, which will bring you into the main creation interface. Once you're there, make sure the mode is set to frame to video, because this is the feature that allows static images to be transformed into animated scenes. Then, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the ideal vertical format for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, upload your first image into the project. To control how the animation behaves, we need to give Flow AI a clear prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the same image prompt you used to generate the visual, along with the script dialogue for that object. This helps the AI understand both how the object should move and what it should be saying. Return to Flow AI. Paste the prompt and dialogue into the prompt box and click Generate. Within moments, your static image will begin animating, transforming into a smooth, realistic video clip where the object moves naturally and delivers the script as intended. Once the generation is complete, preview it.
I'm not broken. You just mashed every button except the right one. Input, volume, menu, pick a lane. And stop blaming me for your confusion.
As you can see, the movement feels natural and the object clearly communicates the script. After that, download the video directly to your device. From there, simply repeat this exact process for the rest of your images, one by one, until all of your scenes are converted into animated video clips with dialogue. The final step is bringing all your clips together with editing, and for this, we're going to use CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking New Project, then import all the video clips you generated in the previous steps. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and all vertical video platforms. If any of your clips contain watermarks or logos, click on them and use the stretch or crop tools until they're completely removed, ensuring a clean, professional look. Next, let's add transitions between your clips to make the video flow smoothly. Click on Overlay Transitions. Browse through the options, pick the one you like best, and click Apply to All to instantly add consistent transitions across every scene. To make your short even more engaging and accessible, it's time to add captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions, and you will be presented with lots of caption templates. Scroll through them, choose the style that fits your video, then click Generate, and in few seconds your captions will be ready. Position the text so it's easy to read but doesn't block any important visuals. Once your captions, transitions, and clips are perfectly arranged, watch the video from start to finish to make sure everything flows naturally. When you're satisfied with the final product, click Export. Increase the resolution to 4K for the best quality and download it straight to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
I'm not broken. You just mashed every button except the right one. Input, volume, menu, pick a lane. And stop blaming me for your confusion.
You keep switching apps like it's a sport. I'm buffering emotions over here. One show, one decision. Breathe.
You only touch me during commercials now. I used to be everything. Enjoy your big screen. I remember everything.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comment section.